Join me as I try to create a viral YouTube video using some easy money rituals for beginners. Money rituals are a fascinating topic, and for beginners looking to enhance their financial situation, it's essential to understand their significance in attracting wealth. By incorporating these rituals into your daily routine, you can shift your mindset and energy towards financial abundance. We've all been there, struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering if we'll ever get ahead. Achieving financial stability can feel like an uphill battle, and it's easy to get discouraged. Many of us have tried budgeting, saving, and investing, but somehow it never seems to stick. And that's exactly why money rituals can be a game changer. However, for beginners, it can be tough to know where to start, and skepticism can creep in. Can these rituals really make a difference? Are they just a bunch of woo-woo nonsense? Or is there some real science behind them? One of the biggest struggles beginners face is overcoming their own limiting beliefs about money. We've been conditioned to think that wealth is scarce, that we're not worthy of financial abundance, or that making money is hard. These beliefs can be hard to shake, especially if we've been living in scarcity mode for a long time. Another common struggle is feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. With so many gurus and experts promising quick fixes and get-rich-quick schemes, it's easy to get lost in the noise and give up altogether. For beginners, it's essential to start small and focus on simple, actionable steps that can be taken daily. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Easy money rituals that anyone can implement, regardless of their financial background or experience. These rituals aren't about getting rich quick or making a ton of money overnight. They're about shifting your energy and mindset towards financial abundance and creating a more prosperous future for yourself. Visualization is a powerful technique that can be used to attract wealth and abundance into your life. By vividly imagining yourself in a state of financial freedom, you can start to rewire your brain and attract opportunities that align with your desires. Another simple yet effective ritual is using affirmations. By repeating positive affirmations to yourself daily, you can start to overcome those limiting beliefs and build a more confident mindset. Physical rituals like carrying a small amount of cash with you or placing a coin in a specific spot can also be powerful symbols of abundance and attract more wealth into your life. One ritual that has proven results time and time again is the moonwater ritual. This simple yet powerful technique involves placing a glass of water under the full moon and then drinking it the next morning. The idea behind it is that the moon's energy is absorbed into the water, which then gets absorbed into your body, attracting abundance and prosperity. It may sound simple, but the results can be astounding. I've seen people attract unexpected windfalls, get promotions, and even start new businesses after incorporating this ritual into their daily routine. The beauty of this ritual is its simplicity and effectiveness. It's easy to do, requires minimal effort, and can be done by anyone, anywhere. It's not about spending hours meditating or performing complex ceremonies. It's about making a small, intentional choice to attract more abundance into your life. And that's exactly what makes it so powerful. In this video, we've explored some easy money rituals that beginners can implement to attract more abundance and prosperity into their lives. From visualization techniques to affirmations and physical rituals, these simple yet powerful tools can help shift your energy and mindset towards financial freedom. If you've tried any money rituals in the past, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new to money rituals, I encourage you to start small and experiment with different techniques to see what works best for you. Don't forget to check out my other video on how to grow your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a full-time income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.